This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Cadillac STS. It has a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a remote start feature, a low tire pressure indicator, a limited slip differential, direct injection, big 18-inch wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: a heated steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel controls, leather seats, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, fog lamps, a traction control system, a rear parking aid, and this vehicle has fewer than 27,000 miles on the odometer. To get your full assurance that this Cadillac meets expectations for mechanical conditioning and appearance, it has been put through a 117-point inspection and reconditioning process and comes with a 6-year, 100,000-mile limited fully transferable warranty with 0 deductible, plus 24-hour roadside assistance. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.